Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to insert column in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel, and here you can see I have data. So to insert column, you just simply select the one cell if you want to insert column between the product and region column. Okay, so I select here the region cell and press the shortcut key Shift Control plus, and here the one small dialog box is open, insert. Okay, select here the last option, entire column, and click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see column is inserted between the product and region column. Okay, this is the first way. And the second way, simply select the column and right click of the mouse and click on the insert to insert column between the date and product column. Okay, and the third way, simply select the cell if you want to insert column between the date and product column. Now select the product column cell and you can press here the shortcut key Alt H I C, and that's it. Here you can see the column is inserted. Okay, and the third way, if you don't want to use the shortcut key, simply select the cell. I select here the cells column cell, then column will insert it in between the region and cells column. Okay, so I select here the one cell of the cells column, then go to the home tab. In cells group, click on the insert option and click on the insert sheet column, and that's it. Here you can see the column is inserted. Okay, so these are the different way you can insert column in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.